I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing security settings on WorldRemit is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the WorldRemit website or app and logging into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is typically found in a menu, often represented by your profile icon. Step 3. Locate security settings. Within the account settings, look for the section labeled Security or Security Settings. This is where you can manage your security preferences. Step 4. Update security preferences. In the security settings, you can change your password, enable two-factor authentication, or adjust other security measures. Make sure to follow any prompts to save your changes. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, if you don't receive the confirmation email, check your spam folder, as it sometimes gets filtered there. I hope this helps you secure your WorldRemit account easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.